Welcome to Chart Traders. Let's see stock to trade for tomorrow. So the first stock is M&M. Okay. So M&M forming a bearish engulfing pattern on a daily basis. So if stock open below this point, okay. So the first target is around 374, second is around 365, and third is around 355, and the stop loss is 408. So you can sell M&M for tomorrow. Second is Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever takes support at a 200 moving day and bounce back. Also RSI taking support at 40. So you can trade above this point, that is 2100 or 2130, because 2130 is a strong support resistance point. Okay, so many times here in previous taking resistance. So you can trade about 2103. Target is 2124 and second is 2162. Okay, third is Godrej Industry. Okay, so here it's forming a bullish engulfing and today's close is above this bullish engulfing. So you can trade above this point. Stop loss is 230. It is a large stop loss. So if came up to this point, you can buy partially starting from 249 to this point, because stop loss is far away. So you can buy in part when stock came back, and the strict stop loss is around 233. Next is Biocon. Okay, so Biocon is moving in a rectangle channel, or the support and resistances. So whenever it breaks up or down, you can take trade. Okay, even the RSI is above the 60. Okay, so whenever you got an opportunity on a daily basis, you can take trade, buy above this point, sell below this point. And the last is SBI Life. Okay, so as soon it is taking the resistance at this point on a weekly chart, even on daily chart. Okay, it is forming a cup and handle. Okay, so this is a strong resistance point, and on a 15-minute chart, okay, we have a strong support here. So you can buy a stock with stop loss of 755 or 754 once it close above this point. Okay, that is your 770 around. So once it close above this point, you can buy with stop loss of 754 or 740. Okay, so according to your risk management, you can take stop loss. Thank you.